Hey guys, so this weekend in Moab I kind of ran on some trails and I kind of destroyed my rear bumper a little bit. So today I'm going to be cutting a lot off. I will be probably cutting the exhaust too, but I'll show you the damage that I sustained. So right here, basically all these plastic pieces kind of came off, and then this is looking pretty rough, and then over here I actually shoved the bumper up, and then right here it kind of separated. So I'll be cutting off from here down basically. I've seen Mike, the owner of Eurowise's bumper, kind of look the same. So I know there's a few things under there. I'll probably just paint them like black so they're not really visible. And then in the future I'll get a tubular rear bumper so I won't have to worry about it. But it's going to give me a lot more ground clearance, although I'll still have the tow hitch down there. So I'm just going to like try and cut along the line and see what comes off.
Go with the high speed.
Okay. Probably be wearing glasses too.
I have glasses.
I don't really know what's in there. Okay.
Just pull it off.
Yep. We're gonna see what happens. It's all gonna get cut off anyway.
Smells bad.
I don't really care what's under here either. Okay.
So when it bogs down, let it go easier. Just
Yeah.
stay at the higher speed.
Okay. Shit, hell yeah. Oh.
She off.
Yep. I'm just gonna detach whatever's on the bottom. There's some screws in there. Tearing apart a Porsche. Yeah, so it'll be okay if all this is exposed.
Yeah.
Is that all metal?
Yep. It's thin metal.
Do I just cut all that off?
Cut a lot of it off.
Yeah. How is this freaking bumper attached? It's all little screws.
I think you're fine just kicking it off. Have
Yeah.
fun.
Okay, alright, you can turn it off. Ah.
There she is.
Okay, so we reached a point in the bumper removal where we kind of need a stronger cutoff wheel. So we're gonna head to Home Depot and find something better, but on the left side, I cut the fender liner and then we're gonna like cut this even. So it's just this part of the bumper hanging out. And then cut off the exhaust, cut off this metal piece right here. So it's literally just gonna be the hitch hanging out. And then I'm cutting the exhaust off kind of under the diff. I'll eventually have it welded up and we'll put it like kind of right through the side here. So I've seen a couple other Cayenne guys do that. So that's the plan for now. Eventually a tubular rear bumper will be in the future. Okay, so we just got back from Harbor Freight. We picked up this air cutter and 3-inch cutting wheels. So we're gonna continue with the rest of the Cayenne bumper removal and cutting the pipes off. So you guys see a little time lapse. pretty far through the process of removing the rear bumper and stuff. So I realized halfway through that I had pinched the exhaust pipes on the subframe. So we had to go buy a Sawzall to remove the tailpipes from like before the diff back. And I think that might have been restricting my exhaust flow and like kind of hurting the car, at least in lower RPMs. So yeah, we're gonna carry on with just like lopping that part off, and then we should be good. Okay, so we just finished cutting off the the Cayenne's exhaust, and now we've basically made all the clearance that we'd possibly need in the rear. So here's what it looks like. We have basically so much room back here. Now we'll get a good side shot. Look at that. I'm not sure what the angle is now, aside from the tow hitch carrier. Seriously, so much more room for stuff. Will no longer drag on anything and kind of looks way meaner from the side. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later. See you guys on more adventures. And we'll take less damage in the Cayenne now.